Hello, it's Nick, and today I want to show you how to create an accordion like this one in Figma. We will create it using three basic elements: two text blocks, question and answer, and an icon. First, we need to put an icon next to the question. Let's align the elements vertically and add them to auto layout. We will give the newly created frame a name header. The spacing between the elements in this frame should be equal to 0. Let's select the question and change the horizontal resizing from a fixed white to the fill container. This will allow us to make a header responsive, meaning that we can change its size and it will respond appropriately. Now let's select both elements, header and the answer, and add them to the auto layout. Let's make the spacing between the header and the body text equal to 0. Now let's select the header and change the horizontal resizing from a fixed white to fill container. And we need to complete the same operation for the answer. Now our frame is truly responsive, meaning that we can change its size and it will react appropriately. Let's give our element a name Accordion and select it. We can now create a component. Our newly created component will have two variants. The second variant will be open, and the first one will be closed. As you probably guessed, it's a state of this component. Let's hide unnecessary details in the closed state, select the answer and click the hide icon in the left panel. In the open state, we need to rotate the icon to 180 degrees. We're almost done. Now we need to create a transition between the states, and we need to switch to the prototype mode for that. Let's select the header in the closed state and click plus to create a transition to the open state. We will do the same operation for the open state, so that when the user clicks on the header in the open state, they should return back to the closed state. It's time to test our component, and we will need to add a frame for the testing. Let's give a frame the name test, and we can put our component in this frame. Let's actually put 3 questions in it to make it look like a FAQ section. Quickly change the spacing between the questions and select all 3 and add them to auto layout. Perfect. Let's test our design. Click on the preview button and see a preview of our element. It works exactly as we want it to work. Hope it was helpful. Thank you.